Namaste everyone and welcome to my course. My name is Gisele Esther. I'm a holistic photographer and yogini. In this course, I'm gonna share with you my holistic process of creating photography and how with these techniques I can bring authentic portraits to reality. I structured the course in 3 parts. So first, I'm going to explain you a little bit about holistic photography. So what does it mean exactly this term? Second, I'm gonna share with you the techniques that I use to establish real connections with my clients. Third, we are going to see how we can bring authentic portraits to reality. So what are the things that you should be aware of and what you can do to have more authentic results. As the subjects are completely interconnected, I recommend you to watch all the lessons. If you have any question, please feel free to get in touch. I will leave here my email. It's om@giseleester.com. I'm also on Instagram and on Facebook, and I'm always very happy to get in touch with you. Let's get started.